the article that I had to explain the linear function was bacteria threatens to wipe out kiwi's fruit. And this was about how a bacteria got into some of New Zealand's farms, into the kiwi fruit crop, and they had to delay supply for only a few farms because they were infected with that bacteria. Now had this I took some of the numbers here, and these are going to help us to find our demand curve. Now, the function that I'm going to use is QD equals A plus BP. And the first variable that we're going to find is B. That's the inverse slope. P is the price. A is the quantity demanded if the price is 0, and QD is quantity demand. Now, how we're going to find B, the inverse slope is by change of quantity over change of price. And for this, we're going to just take two random variables of the table. Let's say 303 and then 200 and 400, and we're going to put them as Q2 minus Q1 over P2 minus P1. You can work this, you can pause the video and work this out yourself. As you can see here, I got minus 100, and now we're going to put minus 100 into the function. So bracket 100, and then we can leave the P next to it because we're going to multiply it in anyway. So now what we are going to do is we're going to substitute in another two variables, but this time it's going to be quantity demanded and price. And let's say we're going to substitute in 2 and 400. So 400 is going to go in quantity demanded, and 2 is going to go into price. And we're going to work this out and find what A is equal. So pause the video here if you're going to work that out. Now, this is what I got from the whole equation, and I also marked here the two variables that I used for it, the price and the quantity demand, and I also drew the line for the demand curve. Now, it says here that A equals 600, and as you might remember, A is the quantity demanded if the price is 0. So that means that we can extend the line from 600 to, connect it to the demand curve. That will extend the line. Now we can move on to the p-intercept. The p-intercept is a point at which the quantity demanded is 0, and we can do that by simply having our equation here, what we figured out beforehand, and then simply putting 0 equals 600 minus 100 p. Now I'll let you you can pause the video and figure this and work this out yourself. Now I got 6. It would have been easier to figure out if having the graph here, because you can see it, but I'll just go up here and there. There's where our around here should be our p-intercept.